Hi everyone.
Hi everybody.
So these are the Chanel dupes that we did a few days ago, and this is Dazzle Dry, and it chipped, but it chipped because it didn't have a proper base coat. So that's how it shows that, you know,
the importance
of proper base coats and everything else. But anyway, so today we wanted to show you, because quite a few people were mentioning how it's going to be difficult to remove these colors, and today I wanted to show you how I would remove them, and it shouldn't be so bad. Anyway, it's pure acetone on one hand, and we'll do the Zoya remove. It's a very good remover, but first coffee. And I just curious myself if this is going to work as well. I think it will. Okay, so the first hand with acetone.
Let us find out.
Let us find out. This is the acetone part. So I'm going to use enough to saturate the cotton, and I would suggest you guys use manicure removal pads, right? Manicure, my God, makeup remover pads. Jesus, they are manicure removal pads too. And then just press it firmly onto the nail. So just give it a few seconds for it to stick.
Stuckens.
The camera is doing weird colors.
Yeah, I'm watching that right now.
So we're using different equipment today. So
we're trying something different.
Now this is the Zoya.
Yeah, it goes from green to blue.
Yeah, it's weird.
Oh.
If you guys are more familiar with cameras, please let us know what to use. By the way, these two nails, I have to say, kind of were the latest, the slowest to dry.
Yeah.
Forgetting.
Those are the Sally Hansen.
But you know what I did?
What?
I used the wrong top coat.
Fantastic. Super duper.
Okay, so you see, like, it's better to use not the round cotton pieces, because there was too much cotton, and they absorb the cotton, and there's not enough acetone.
They absorb the acetone.
Oh my God, thank you. So no, ta-da! Oh.
Look at that, one shot.
So press down
and pull. But don't like squeeze it where you're squeezing out the acetone,
exactly.
And you know, then it just starts to bleed
don't go
everywhere.
like this. Yeah.
Just grab, press down a little bit, and pull.
You can use the other side, but I'm going to go back and clean.
Yeah, and whoop. See?
Press down a little bit.
Yeah. And pull. Whoop.
Look at that. Look at that.
It's so professional.
So now clean piece, and what happened to this nail? You hit it somewhere?
What are you talking about?
It's like a, oh, by the way, in case you're curious, you see that the black line?
Yeah, that's
it's
been
a little
there for like
hammer. No, it hasn't been.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No, the line, yes, but there was like a splinter thingy.
A splinter?
Black thing.
Yeah, that black thing has been there for a while. Yes, it has. Sure has. There's video to prove. In any case, look how nice and clean that is.
This is life-changing, and I have to say, this is thank you to Deborah Lippman. Yeah, I learned that watching one of her, I don't know, on her website videos. Okay, this one feels more. It works very well. It just feels more watery and sticky, like I can't grab this as well with gloves, but probably with regular fingers. No, it works really well.
You're just being crazy.
Well,
hooray.
No, it works really well. See?
Grab and pull and...
Just comes off in one piece, nice and clean. Okay, one more. Yeah, and this is why I don't use it in wearing gloves, because it's hard to grab.
Interesting.
It's slippery because there's some water in it, and it's slippery. So you see, when this gets kind of dirty, just toss it.
Get a new one.
Get a new one. Yeah, I have a hard time with this, but look how easy it is. Look how beautiful it is.
So beautiful.
So if you found this helpful, please hit a like or share this video, even better.
Yeah. Share it,
with,
like
yeah,
it, hit the
with your
subscribe button if you haven't.
friends. We would super, super appreciate it.
Yeah, go check out some of our links down in the description box. To some
Alright.
of our favorite goodies.
So this took us 5 minutes, but
There you
lots
go.
of talking. And yes, acetone is going to leave the surface more dry, but it's very temporary, right? So
Yep.
not a big deal. Once these hands are washed, there's not going to be any difference. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye.
Ciao.